Yeah, I guess Marissa just asking specifically about kind of snow removal and spill cleanup. It sounds to me like you, for Kevin and Casey, that are the ones dealing with that more often. It's just kind of part of your approach with your cleaning team, right? Where they, they're either being alerted to a spill issue or they're checking in frequently enough. And the same thing with snow removal. Anything that Kevin or Casey you would add to that in terms of dealing with spills and or keeping the snow cleared off the sidewalks in the parking lot?
Yeah, well, we're up in Massachusetts. We had an easy winter this past year, but we can't guarantee that's going to happen again 2 years in a row or whatever. But we do keep all of the tools that we need in the back room areas. Everything's hung up. We've got a pail of ice melt, of course, and we do cleaners. The people who come in to clean twice a day, they can put the ice melt out. We certainly keep an eye on it. The plow services that we use help us out with shoveling these days, but we still do a fair amount of it, and we do a little extra, as I guess I've mentioned. We like to get the curb and an area past the curb so that someone who's coming in with their basket of clothes has a good, clean and dry enough, safe enough surface before they have to make that step up to the sidewalk and then on into the store.
Makes sense.
Yeah. Yes, we have someone, a contractor that cleans the parking lot at every location. And then our cleaning people also shovel the sidewalk. We have always try to have 150 pounds of salt at each location because especially in the spring and the fall or early winter, late winter is a lot of the freeze thaw can melt during the day and freeze at night. Never can have enough ice melt. And then I'm not gonna lie, on real snowy days when it's not very busy, I spend a lot of time driving around and shoveling myself. All of us do. We have 3 managers that we were at 2, and right now we're at 3. We're just expected to do that too. I mean, I'm not there just to collect money.
Right.
I'm expected to do everything too. So that's shoveling. That's going back to cleaning. That's we walk into a store. I have 3 young kids. They're just done with school yesterday, and they went with me to work today. And we walked into a store and it was kind of dirty, so they're my cleaning crew. I had them take dustpans and brooms, but the same thing in the winter. I just want to make sure, or other people think we're expected to do everything. I'm not there just to collect money and walk out and leave stuff. I mean, I'm clean, sweep, mop, whatever needs to be done.
Right. If someone's making that trip out to that store, you've got to take care of everything you can while you're there.